Hello, this is Celine here. I'm coming to you with a video about this hair that I got from Amazon. It is Yvonne Kinky curly hair. This is going to be also another two-part video because I did one initially when I first took everything out to show you what it looked like, and I'm a little hoarse, y'all. So I'm doing the best I can with voice today. Just left the church program, so I've had this hair in for 2 days here, and I will give you an updated account as time goes on, because I know that in 2 days you really cannot tell what the hair is really going to do. Everything that I've heard and seen has been very good. When I say it curls up, it curls up. All you have to do, like these little ringlet curls right here, all you have to do is use a denim brush, spray some water on it, and you know, if you want to use gel, I don't use a whole lot of product. I just use a little bit of gel and some water, and the gel kind of makes it a little crunchy, like some people say, but right now gel is all I had, and so I had some Suave spray, and I used some of that on there, and it keeps, the hair is soft anyway, and I just put it on there to keep it soft. Now, it doesn't have to be this big. If you take water and brush it down, it will get to be, you know, if you don't like big hair, but I'm the big hair person, so this is 18 and 220s. Believe me, I'll use all three of them because I just like a lot of hair. Now, I didn't have to. I didn't realize it was going to be this full, but, you know, I may take some of the, I may have to take some of the layers out to thin it out a bit because it's a lot to handle. I can tell you that. So, just, like, you can see, this is 20. It's 20 inches. But, you know, it's kinky curly hair, and I really love it. I use the bleach bath method to lighten the hair because I did not want to damage it putting just straight bleach on here. So that's what I did. And true to form, you cannot just sit there and go, oh, I'm going to run my fingers through this hair. No, you're not going to sit there and run your fingers through this kind of hair. That just doesn't happen because it is kinky. And I mean that. Knock yourself out if you want to try doing it. But you'll be all day and complaining and fussing and going on, so you might as well just stop. I'm going to tell you right now, that is not going to happen. But it's easy to separate. It does not tangle like... It doesn't tangle and mat up, is what I'm saying. So what you get here is because of these ringlets at the end, they bunch together, and when they bunch together, they grip each other, and therefore that means you can't just take your fingers and slide it through the hair. But it doesn't make the hair bad. That's just the way that the hair reacts. Okay? You can take a brush and brush it to go right back like it was in the first place, and you know, if it was going to be tangly or whatever, or something that you couldn't do anything with, then I don't care what you did, well, you wouldn't even be able to get the tangles out of it. So here we are. Yeah. Also, I did my own flip method here, and this is my own hair that I have left out here on the sides because I just don't want to have to, I've gotten to the point where I just don't want to have to press out hair all the time and get it to match whatever I'm put on. The last hair that I had in was Amela, and I'm gonna have to do another video about that hair. It's decent hair, but I don't think it would last a long period of time. I think that what it says is 3 to 6 months, and it's probably all you're going to get out of it. So, with that being said, back to the Yvonne. But anyway, as you can tell, this stuff is full. I mean, it's full all the way around, and it's lightweight. It's not heavy, y'all. And the best thing I like about hair not being heavy, because stuff like this can get heavy quick. I had some hair that I ordered, Alamise hair. It's good hair, but it is heavy. Okay, it's heavy, and so it's not a good hair to wear in the summer. You can do it in the winter, but summer, you might fry a little bit. This here is the kind of hair. This stuff here. This is good wintertime hair because it's thick. I guarantee you, I was outside. I didn't feel nothing, y'all, and it's cold. So, when you if you decide to purchase this type of hair and stuff, you can get away really with, if you're gonna get like a 14, 16, or 18 or something like that, you're probably only gonna use 2 bundles. This is the longer length, of course. The wefts are going to be a little shorter, but they weren't that short. And I mean, I promise you, I had enough to do. And I'm like, I had a little bit left over, just a little bit of the 18-inch, because this is 18 and 220s. Now, like I said, the shorter the length, the longer your weft's going to be, and you are going to get even more hair, so you're not going to need as much. I did not order a closure because I hate closures. I've stated this before. I don't like fooling with them. That is just too much work, and I don't have time to be laying and flipping and flopping and going on with closures. Every once in a while I wear one for something special occasion. Other than that, no. So, this is at night. You must, and this is a must, brush this stuff out, put it in, twist it up, put it in separate ponytails or pigtails or puffs or whatever you need to do, because you do not want to wake up in the morning and have a tragic mess on your hands. Believe me, this kind of hair will have I don't know, you probably have a fit trying to untangle it, in the morning if you just leave it out. Don't do it to yourself. So, I separate this stuff at night, and in 3 sections, so that when I get ready to do something to it, I don't have a fight. Who wants to fight with hair? I know I don't. I ain't got time to be fighting with hair. I got a lot of other stuff to do. Fighting with hair is not one of them. So, like I said, it's great hair to use, and would I recommend this hair? Yeah, I would recommend it. I don't know exactly how long it'll last, or how much where I'm gonna actually get out of it over the month's time. But I try to keep in my hair and condition it really well and keep it up so that I can continue to use it and stuff. This Yvonne hair is not cheap, even on Amazon. So it's an investment for Amazon. These 3 bundles were $169, and they say that you can get sales on the YWig site. I think whatever it is, that Yvonne hair, the original people company or whatever, is on there, in AliExpress. But I think AliExpress is the one you can probably get. They say you can find a sale on there if they're having a sale. Look, I didn't have time to go through all that. I use Amazon most of the time. Why? Because that way I don't lose my money. 2, my merchandise makes it to my house. I don't have to fight and hassle over what didn't happen and what did happen. Okay? So that's why I use Amazon. High or not. And like I said, I love the color that it turned out. I'm thinking maybe in the summer, spring or something, maybe add a few more highlights and stuff here and there. But other than that, it's decent hair. It's decent hair. And you really can't tell too much where my hair starts and stops here. If I push it back or whatever. And it blends really well. I'm not sure what kind of CAB or whatever kind of hair that I have, but my hair is naturally curly. And I have to try to work with the natural pattern as much as possible. I've used perms and stuff, but the perm has gone. The perm has worn out, so I'm back to what with my gray hair and everything. So my hair is curly, wavy texture, and after I had my hysterectomy, it curled up even more. So, those of you that are my age or older understand what I mean about texture of hair changing and different things like that after hysterectomies or menopause or whatever the situation may happen to be. So, anyway, that's my review of this hair. Keep it moisturized, keep it brushed out, and it shouldn't give you any problems. Until next time, tune in again, and I will have a different type of video about something else. Who knows, knowing me. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers. I always try to say that at the end of my videos because I really do appreciate you. If you have any questions and stuff, please leave them. I'm not tech savvy, and I just figured out here about a month ago how to actually answer some of the questions that I did get and how to respond and comment and stuff. So y'all don't, don't ride me. I'm doing the best I can here. So anyway, like I said, if you have any questions about this hair or any other video that I have posted at any time, please let me know. Only positive responses, please. This is not the platform for, a bunch of junk, because I'm either ignore it or I'm just not going to answer it, one of the two. So, but this is all about positivity for women and young women, older women, and so we need to lift each other up. So until next time, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.